Do you want to help your child make the S sound? I'm going to show you how and where the S sound is made so you can practice making it with your child. Children who have trouble making the S sound often make a th sound instead. They can also make a sh sound or stop the ear to make a t or d sound, like this: thun, shun, tun, dun. It's good to describe the S sound to your child as a first step. I call the S sound a hissing sound, and I also call it the snake sound. To make the S sound, first we need to get everything in the right place. Your child needs their lips and teeth slightly open, tip of the tongue up in the ridgy spot behind their front teeth, and sides of the tongue up against the sides of the top teeth. Then we hiss the air out like this. The air should flow down the middle of your tongue, not out the sides. You try. If your child is finding it tricky to get their tongue in the right place, try this trick. Say the t sound like this. T, 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 t. Your tongue is in the same place for t as it is for s. The only difference is what we do with the air. For t, we stop the air, then let it go again, and for s, we hiss the air out. So we can turn a t sound into a s sound like this. T, 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 s. Like an old steam train coming into the station. Try making this sound in the mirror with your child. Stand so they can see their mouth and yours. You can mix it up with some other speech sounds and some silly sounds like blowing raspberries or making funny faces to keep it fun and light. Doing this twice a day at teeth brushing times hooks it into your daily routine and helps you to remember to do it. If you'd like more structured support with helping your child make the S sound, check out my S sound course at speechteacher.co.nz. This is a video course where I use a proven, evidence-based method that teaches you everything you need to know to get your child making the S sound with confidence and ease in their everyday talking.